Here's how to claim codes on Cookie Run Kingdom. The first thing that you are going to do is on the upper right, you will see there a three-line button. What you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will see there the settings option. What you need to do is to click on that as well. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on this page. From this page, click on the info options that you can see at the top of the dashboard of the settings. After clicking on the info, you will see there the player info that you can see. What you need to do is to copy the details for your player info. After clicking on the copy options, what you need to do is go back ahead and click on the three-line button once again, and then click on or find the coupons options, and then click on that. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this website. What you need to do is to paste on your DevPlay account that you have copied from your informational profile, and then paste on the coupon code that you get from that website. And then you have successfully claimed your award or prize.